Vocabulary Preview, Career Choices, Do What Your Heart Asks For. This man is bitter. He is in jail because he was found guilty of a crime he says he didn't commit. He feels that he has been treated unfairly. This man's computer just crashed. He is so frustrated because he didn't back up his work and now his files are gone. I felt sick yesterday, so I went to the pharmacy to buy some over-the-counter medicine. Several patients waited to be seen by a doctor in the emergency room at the hospital. He wanted to buy a sports car, but unfortunately he couldn't afford it. It's too expensive. The man did nothing all day except watch ridiculous TV shows. He wasted his time, especially since he had a lot of homework to do. The woman talked to a counselor about her problems, and the counselor listened and gave her advice. Her dream was to be a professional bodybuilder. Last year she trained every day and dedicated herself to accomplishing her goal.